Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado milkshake, easy method. Peel and pit 1 ripe avocado, then add 1 cup cold milk, 2 tablespoons sugar or honey, and a handful of ice to the blender. Blend on high until completely smooth and creamy, adjusting sweetness to taste. Pour into a chilled glass and garnish with a dash of cinnamon or a mint leaf for a fresh finish. Gather 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar or honey, and a handful of ice. Optional vanilla ice cream makes it richer. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into your blender. Add milk and sweetener, then blend until velvety and lump-free, scraping down the sides as needed. Taste and tweak sweetness or thickness, then chill briefly before serving to enhance flavors and texture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for dependable comfort that outlasts laundry days. I love how reliable they are while I blend in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Blend on high for about 30 to 45 seconds to achieve a silky, lump-free milkshake. Stop and scrape the sides if needed. Taste and tweak sweetness in small 1 tsp increments until just right, and add a splash more milk if it's too thick. For a frosty treat, chill the glass or the shake for 10 minutes, and always use a ripe avocado for the best flavor and natural creaminess before pouring into a glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.